Hello students, today's topic is future perfect tense. Second part of future perfect tense, interrogative sentence. प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य, प्रश्न पूछे जाने वाले वाक्य को प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य कहते हैं. Interrogative sentence, the sentence in which question word is given is called interrogative sentence. Like other interrogative sentences, it is divided into two parts. प्रश्न पूछे जाने वाले वाक्य को प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य कहते हैं. Previously, whole of the parts are described, and through the system, it is also divided into two parts. प्रश्न पूछे जाने के दो तरीके होते हैं. Two different kinds forms to ask question. One in which the sentence started with yes or no answer type interrogative. इसको what type interrogative कहते हैं. In the sentence in which question word is given in the starting of the sentence, क्या हिंदी सेंटेंस में क्या शब्द से जो वाक्य प्रारंभ होता है उसे व्हाट टाइप इंट्रोगेटिव कहते हैं. और इफ द सेंटेंस इज इन इंग्लिश, टू ट्रांसलेट इन हिंदी, हेल्पिंग वर्ब विल बी गिवन, एंड ऑन दिस बेसिस you should understand the form, the kinds of sentence. In what type interrogative? A rule of construction. जिस वाक्य का प्रारंभ हिंदी में क्या शब्द से हो, and in English helping verb is given in the starting of the sentence, you should understand that the sentence is of what type interrogative. दोनों ही फॉर्म में, इंग्लिश हो हिंदी हो, कहीं भी एक ही थ्योरम चलता है. अगर हिंदी से इफ यू वांट टू ट्रांसलेट हिंदी सेंटेंस इनटू इंग्लिश और इंग्लिश सेंटेंस इनटू हिंदी, रूल इज द सेम. इन व्हाट टाइप इंट्रोगेटिव, हेल्पिंग वर्ब शैल एंड विल is given in the starting of the sentence, then subject. After subject, have helping verb is given. MV3 plus object plus Q1. As you know, in future perfect tense, shall have and will have two different helping verbs are used. Shall and will for the future prospect and have for the completion of the work. Have और has का प्रयोग कभी भी वाक्य की संपूर्णता दिखाने के लिए किया जाता है. And because the sentence contains future tense, so shall and will is also essential to give in the sentence. In this way, shall, will and have two helping verbs are given, and in interrogative sentence, shall have and shall, will and have are divided, bifurcated, differentiated. In this way, in between subject is given and MV3 plus subject and question mark is given, and it is the rule of the construction of what type interrogative. Second part, who type interrogative and WHO type interrogative. As you know, the sentence in which question word is given in the midst of the sentence, the sentence starts with question word given in the sentence. In the second part of interrogative sentence, WHO type interrogative, interrogative words are given in the midst of the sentence. वाक्य के बीच में प्रश्नवाचक शब्दों को दिया है. कोई भी प्रश्नवाचक शब्द वाक्य के बीच में आता है उसे हम WHO type interrogative कहते हैं. The remarkable thing is this: both parts are called interrogative sentence. But a sort of difference here, and difference is being described by different process of construction. Now, the second part, who type interrogative sentence, is constructed with question were given in the starting of the sentence. Then after shall have, will have, helping verb, subject plus MB3, object plus question mark. Difference is only in the construction of both of the sentences, what type and who type. In first part, what type interrogative, helping verb is given in the starting of the sentence, and in second part, question word is given in the starting of the sentence. All the things are same. Question word plus helping verb, shall have, will have, subject plus MB3 plus object. Now, it is a matter to understand only the difference in both of the series is use of question word in the starting of the sentence and helping verb in the starting of the sentence. Now, example, क्या उसने तुम्हें देखा होगा? Will he have seen you? और वे लोग कहाँ गए होंगे? Where will have they gone? MB3 is used in whole of the parts of past perfect because perfection of the verb. For the perfection of the verb, it is compulsory to give has or have helping verb in any part except past perfect tense. पास्ट परफेक्ट को छोड़कर से सभी भागों में है या हैव का प्रयोग किया जाता है, इसलिए कि टू कंडक्ट द परफेक्शन ऑफ द सेंटेंस. थैंक यू वेरी मच. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल and like this video.